All right, we're gonna pour in 2 cups of chicken stock here over our rice. Add 1 stick of butter in there because we're making it healthy. Guys, we're making a little Cajun jambalaya gumbo ricey type thing going on in our crock pot here. Easy 1 crock pot meal. We gotta go in with some frozen shrimp. We put the butter in, we put the rotel in. Now, rotel is not exactly Cajun, but who are we to judge? We're going in with about a pound of shrimp or so. Frozen, don't worry, it'll get cooked through. I'm gonna go in with some already cooked smoked sausage, small batch sausage from Texas, which is close enough to Louisiana. So that's how we're making it part of the Cajun flavor. Let's give this a little breakdown, a little stir, just to make sure everything's all where it needs to be in the chicken broth. Want to stress one thing, make sure you get the shrimp, even though it's frozen, make sure you get that uncooked shrimp, because you're gonna have it in here for about a half hour or 45 minutes, and you wanna make sure that you're not using already cooked shrimp that's gonna get nice and rubbery on you. Now we're gonna add all our goodies. We got some Voodoo Cajun and Creole seasoning right here. We're gonna put a healthy amount of that in there, at least a tablespoon. This is straight from Louisiana, from New Orleans. The French Quarter, that's where I got it, baby. Let's get a little hot sauce in there, about half a tablespoon. We like it spicy around here. And then we're gonna finish it off with a little Wash Your Sister sauce. It's the good stuff. Another about a half a tablespoon or so. Give it 1 more stir. Just make sure everything's in there, incorporated. That big old stick of butter is gonna melt, don't worry. All right, let's get that lid on. I'm gonna turn it to high. Nothing left to do but to wait until this all comes together. We'll check on it in about 20 minutes or so, give it a little stir. But this is a 1-pot crock pot meal that you're gonna love. It's not authentic, but it's mine, and I wanna make it yours. A little jambalaya Cajun seafood boil rice, dirty rice, combination of all the good flavors is done. Plenty of that good butter still left in there. Our rice is good. Shrimps are cooked. A big old spoonful of the goodness right here. Let's get some into a little bowl. So many good flavors going on. All right, it's time to get a bite. You know I had to get a little green onions out of the garden. Get those on. All right, guys, we got ourselves a nice little bite here. Got the shrimp, the rice, that good sausage in there. Guys, is this authentic Cajun, whatever kind of dish? It's just a mashup of everything. You get a little of that Tex-Mex with the rotel and the sausage. You get a little of the Cajun with the seasoning and the shrimps and all that. It's a nice little mashup. Baby, you know it's good.